Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the glide armor in Tears of the Kingdom. This incredible armor set is essential for exploring the vast skies, offering unparalleled aerial mobility. To obtain it, you'll need to successfully complete 3 distinct dive challenges, each located on a different sky island. Each successful dive will reward you with one piece of this highly sought-after armor, making your journey through the clouds much smoother and more enjoyable. Your first stop is Bravery Island, found high above in the North Hyrule Sky Archipelago. Here, you'll participate in the Dive Ceremony Challenge. The goal is to skillfully dive through all 21 green rings before reaching the ground. Master this aerial feat, and the chest piece of the glide armor will be yours, significantly boosting your midair control and allowing for much more precise movements. Next, set your sights on Valor Island, located within the South Lanayru Sky Archipelago. Just like before, you'll need to undertake another thrilling dive ceremony. The key to success is maintaining your focus and guiding link through every single one of the 21 green rings. Conquer this challenge, and you will be rewarded with the leg armor, further enhancing your ability to navigate the expansive sky. Finally, make your way to Courage Island, situated in the central Hyrule Sky Archipelago. This is your last dive ceremony to complete the full set. Once again, you must expertly guide Link through all 21 green rings. Successfully completing this final dive will grant you the head armor, completing your entire glide armor set and making you the undisputed master of the skies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.